Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 7. Today, we are going to continue the chapter 3, data handling. Okay, in the previous class, we discussed the topics range and arithmetic mean. Isn't it? What is range? Range. The formula for finding the range is the highest observation minus lowest observation. Isn't it? The range of a given set of observations or given set of values is highest observation minus lowest observation. And then what is arithmetic mean? Yes, arithmetic mean shows the average. Okay, average of the set of given numbers or given observations. And we can find out arithmetic mean by using the formula. Yes, sum of all information or sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Okay, arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. So clear, children? Okay, so we discussed so much questions based on range and mean. Now we are moving to the next measures of central tendency, and that are mode and median. Okay, mode and median. So first we will discuss about mode. What is mode? Okay, here is the definition of mode. The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Once again, the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. That means the observation which repeats more is the mode of that given observations. Clear, children? So I will show you with an example. I am taking some numbers 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so I took some numbers here. Everyone look over here. Some numbers are given. Okay, so some observations are given here. First, you arrange these observations in any order, that is in ascending order or descending order. Any order you arrange these informations or these observations. So here the smallest number is 1, and how many times 1 is repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2, 2 times, then 3, 2 times, then 4, 3 times. Okay, so just now we arranged the one observations in ascending order. Now you check, children, which observation is repeating most. Look, yes, the number 1 is repeating most because the number 1 is repeating 4 times. Number 2 is 2 times. Number 3 is 2 times, and number 4 is 3 times. So which number or which observation is repeating most? That is 1. So we can write mode is equal to mode of these observations is 1. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, so to always remember, the mode of an observation means the number, that means the observation which occurs most often. Got it? Children, look at another example. This is example 2. Look at these observations. Here, given observations, first we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Any one order you have to arrange it. Okay. So first I am arranging these numbers. That is, it is starting from 4. Only 1 4 is here. Then after that 6. 6. How many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 6s. Then after that 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that 8. Okay, so we arranged the given numbers in ascending order now. Now you have to check which is the number repeating most. Okay, so here you can see that The number 6 is repeating 4 times and number 7 is also repeating 4 times. So what to do? Yes, here you can write mode is equal to, here the number 6 and number 7 both are repeating at the same time. So you can write mode is equal to 6 and 7. Okay. So always remember, in some cases you will get 2 modes for a given observation. Okay. So this way you can answer. Okay. So it is there is a chance to get more than 1 mode also. Clear, children? Okay. Children, here in this question, the numbers were a finite number. A small number of observations were given. But in some another cases, suppose 40 observations were given. Then it will be very difficult for you to understand which one is repeating most. So that time you can arrange that given data in a tabular form, and after that you check which one or which number will have more frequency. Okay, that is the mode of that observations. Got it, children? Okay, so here the numbers are a definite number. If it is more than 20, 30 or 40, you then just arrange it in table. You know, when we are arranging it in a table, you have to draw the 3 columns. One is if the marks are given, then the first is it marks. Otherwise you can write observations, and then next column tally mark and next column frequency. Okay, and then you have to check which number is having more frequency. That will be the mode of that given observations. Clear, children? Okay. Children, now we are discussing another example for mode. Here is the numbers given 2, 14, 16, 12, 14, 16, 14, 10, 14, 18, 14. So we know what to do first. Yes, we have to arrange this in ascending order, right? So I am arranging it. So first we can write 2, then after that 10, only 1 10, then after that 12, that is 1 12 only here, then after that 14, that is 1 2 3 4 5 14s, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Then what is left? 16. 1 2 2 16. Then after that 18. Okay, so here is we arranged the given observations in ascending order. Now we have to check which is the mode. Okay, we know mode is the observation that occurs most often. Okay, here you check which observation occurs most frequently. That is, we can easily understand the number 14 is repeating 5 times, isn't it? So 14 is the mode of these observations. So mode is 14. Clear, children? Okay. So always remember, the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Okay. So most repeating observation is the mode of that given observations. Clear, children? Okay. So now we are moving to median. So children, now we are moving to median. Okay. Here is the definition of median. Median is the middlemost observation of the data arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay. Once again, median is the middlemost number or middlemost observation of the data arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay. So to find out the middle number, that is median is the middle observation, that is middle number. Got it? So to get the middle observation, first you have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. After that only you find out the middle observation. Okay, clear? So here is an example question. Look, 14, 7, 2, 9, 10. First step, you have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, so I am arranging it in ascending order. 2, 7, 9, 10, 14. Now our numbers, that is the given observations, are in ascending order. Now you check the middle number. Which is the middle number here? Look, here total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are here. So which one will be the middle number? Third one, isn't it? So here the middle number is 9. Right? So our median, we can write our median is equal to 9. Got it, children? It's very easy, right? Yes. So remember, median means middle observation, and we learn mode is most repeating observation. Okay, remember, median is the middle observation and mode is the most repeating observation. And one more thing, when you are going to find out the answer for these type of questions, you have to arrange the given observations in any order. Okay, if you want, you can arrange it in ascending or descending order. First you arrange it in order, then only you find out the median. Got it, children? Okay, so let's discuss one more example question. Children, here is example 2. Look at the numbers: 35, 32, 35, 42, 38, 32, 34. So we know first we have to arrange this in ascending order. Okay, so I am going to arrange it. First one, 32. So 32, how many times? 1, 2. So 32, 32, then it is 34. 1, 34 is here. Write that. Then 35, 35, 2 35s. Then after that 38. Then after that 42. Right. We arranged all the numbers here. Right. Now look, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 numbers are given here. So there is an easy way to find out the middle number, that is n plus 1. Okay, n plus 1 by 2. That is how many number of observations are given. That you write first. Okay, that is here 7 observations are given. So 7 plus 1 by 2 will be the position of the median or middle number. Okay. That is, it is total 7 observations. So 7 plus 1, that is 8. 8 by 2 is 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth observation will be the middle number. Is it right, children? Okay. So this is the easy way to find out. Here it is 7 numbers are given. 7 number of observations are given. So you can add 1 to 7, that is 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. This 4 means the fourth position, number in the fourth position is the median. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 35 is the median. Got it, children? So you can write median is equal to 35. This is the middle number, right? Here it is in the middle, and 1, 2, 3. 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. So median is 35. Now, if I am asking you which is the mode of this question, can you mode of these observations? Can you find out that? Yes, just try. Mode is equal to, mode means the most repeating observation is the mode, isn't it? So look, children, which is the most repeating observation here? 32 is repeating 2 times, 35 is repeating 2 times, right? Okay, so tell me which is the mode? Yeah, here two numbers are repeating at the same time. So 32 and 35. Both are modes of this observations. Okay, is it clear? Children, here is example 3. Find the median of the following observations: 27, 15, 50, 32, 73, 145. So first we check how many observations are given here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations. So the middle term will be the fourth one. How? That is 7 plus 1 by 2. That is 8 by 2 is equal to 4. That is fourth position. The observation in fourth position will be the middle term, isn't it? But before finding that, you have to arrange this given observation in any order, descending or ascending order. So I am arranging it in ascending order. The first number will be 15, then 27, then 32, then 45, then 50, then 73 and 100. Okay, so now we arrange the given observations in ascending order. Now you can mark the fourth observation. Okay, the observation which is in fourth position, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 45. Look children, here 1, 2, 3 in the left side and 1, 2, 3, 3 in the on the right side. Okay, so the middle value is 45. So you can write median. Median is equal to 45. Is it clear children? Okay, so let's revise what we have learned today. Today we learned about mode and median, and we learned that mode is the most repeating observation, or the observation which occurs more frequently. That is the mode. Okay, and then what is median? Median is the middle value or middle observation of the given observations. Okay, and you to find out the mode and median, you should arrange the given numbers in any order, in ascending order or descending order. Any one order you arrange the given observations, and after that you check the median and mode. Is it clear? Remember, mode is the most repeating observation. Median is the what? Middle observation. Okay? Okay, my dear. So I hope today's concepts are clear for you. Everyone go through this very well, and don't forget, everyone should write all these questions, mode and its definition, and then the questions we discussed, the example questions we discussed in today's class, you have to copy to the notebook, and then you write median and the definition, and then all the 3 examples we discussed in today's class you should copy it your maths notebook. Got it children? Okay, so everyone do it and study it well. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye bye.